So welcome back to our daily LeetCode challenge series. So the today's question is count elements with maximum frequency, and it's a easy one. You're given an array nums consisting of positive integers. Return the total frequencies of elements in nums such that those elements all have the maximum frequency. Okay, so we'll just take this example. Yeah. So now 1 comes 2 times, 2 comes 2 times. We'll just take out the frequency of all. 3 comes 1 time, 4 comes 1 time. Yeah. So now we're given that total frequencies of elements in num such that those elements all have the maximum frequency. Okay. So the elements 1 and 2 have a frequency of 2, which is the maximum frequency in the array. So the number of elements in the array with maximum frequency is 4. Okay. So our result should be these two have the maximum frequency, so our result should be 1 and 2 and 2 and again 1. From here we'll only keep the elements that have maximum frequency. 1 has maximum, 2 has maximum, 2 has maximum, 3 has doesn't have maximum frequency, 1 has, 4 doesn't have, like that. And if we take this example, now all have one frequency. 1 also has 1, 2 also has 1, 3 has 1, 4 has 1, 5 has 1. So now the maximum frequency is 1. So our result would have 1 also, 2 also, 3 also, 4 also, 5 also. So the result would be 5, the count of it. And here it would be 4. So what we can do is we can take a map, or instead of map we can take an array till length 100, as we are already given that the maximum value of the element would be 100. So we can take a count array or frequency array of 100 size, 101, right, from 0 to 100. Or we can also take a map and we can just keep tracking the frequencies as we get the element, and we'll also calculate the maximum frequency. So in this case we'll get 2. Then we'll again loop over this whole array and we'll check if the frequency of that element is equal to maximum frequency. We'll keep it. So let's just code it out, then it would be more clear. So we'll take one frequency array. We can also take hash map here, but since we are already given the uh, limit and it's just 100, so we'll take it directly. Now I'll also take one maximum frequency. Now what I'll do is I'll loop over the nums, um, frequency, num plus plus. All the elements are initialized to 0 here, right? And I'll also calculate maximum frequency, max frequency, frequency num. Yeah, so this way I'll get the maximum frequency. Now I'll just take one result. Now what I'll do is I'll loop again. Now I'll check if frequency of this number is equal to maximum frequency. So we need to keep this number. So I'll just do result plus plus and I'll just return result. This is one way. So we'll just run it. Okay. I'll just submit it. Nice. This works fine. There's another way. What we can do is instead of looping over this whole array, we can loop over our size. This, like we have made this frequency array till 101, so I can just loop over it till 100, I plus plus. Now, if frequency I is equal to mx frequency, right? So we need to consider this. So what we'll do is now the frequency I, like frequency of 1 is 2, frequency of 2 is 2. So what we need to do is we can't just do res plus plus. We can't take once. We need to take it maximum frequency into I into frequency of I. Yeah. So this would be like, in case of 1 it would give me 2. Okay, not into frequency of I, we'll just do it maximum frequency. Yeah, this would pretty much solve our case. Yeah. So in this case, what we did is when we come to 1, 2, now when we come to 1, the frequency of 1 is 2, which is maximum. So in the result, we'll add 2 because 1 comes twice, maximum frequency times. Now we come to 2, 2 comes twice, right? So we'll add again 2 to our result, right? Because 2 also coming twice. Now 3 is coming once, which is not equal to maximum frequency, will not do. In case of 4 it is also coming once, so will not do. Right, so this is another way. So I guess this question is clear. Thanks a lot for watching. Thank you.